already September 19, 2024. And exactly 12 o'clock. That is a surprise na natin si Shiva.
And the one that keeps you standing. My dearest one, you're my shining star, my moon and sun. With you by my side, my world is complete.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday
to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Ba't may tunog ng ulan ka din?
You gotta blow, darling, your cake! Wake up! And you have to open your Christmas gift. Blow, blow! Buksan mo yung gift ko. Kailangan mo muna buksan yung gift ko.
May kandila.
Buksan ni Jomer ang gift ko. You had to open it because it's web. Yes, buksan mo ang gift mo. Peg, buksan mo muna para makita mo talaga kung... Ayan, juicer po ang gift. Kasi nga, para diet na po talaga kami. Yes, alam mo na yan, Peg. Ano yung gift ko? Oh, perfect yan.
Ito pang mayaman. Hindi tayo bibiging bumura.
Happy birthday!
Mayaman!
Yes!
Our love has grown, a bond so strong. It's truly our own. I cherish each moment, each memory we share. In your love, I find solace and care. Happy birthday, my love, my dearest one. You're my shining star, my moon and sun. With you by my side, my world is complete. Your love is a melody, so tender and sweet.
Guys, matutulog na tayo kasi 12 o'clock na. Bukas na natin itutuloy ang birthday party niya.
Minising lang namin siya.
Happy birthday!
Iwan na namin yung cake dito.